Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Hasselback Tofu. It's much easier and quicker to make compared to Hasselback Potatoes. Maybe finding the right tofu is the most difficult part of the dish. At the end of the video, I will show you how I built a menu with this Hasselback tofu, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 atsuage deep fried tofu, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, 1 tablespoon of miso, half a teaspoon of garlic paste, shredded mozzarella as much as you like, and some green onion. As always, vegetable cutting first, the green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. And slice them in. Then atsuage deep fried tofu. Cut it into half. And make some slits here. Like this. If your atsuage deep fried tofu is too wet, dry it with paper towel. Mix mayonnaise, miso, and garlic paste in the bowl. Add sliced green onion. Save some green onion to garnish later on. Give it a mix. Put it on atsuage and try to push it between the slits. Then shredded mozzarella on top as much as you like. All done, so it's time to grill. Grilled for 15 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. Let's put more green onion on top. And Hasselback tofu is ready to go. Time for the tasting. It's easy to cut thanks to the slits. Itadakimasu. The texture of atsuage skin is just like potato skin. The miso mayo sauce adds so much flavor to it, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 to 2 side dishes. Hasselback tofu is the side, so it goes here. Some sort of pickles, either off the shelf or homemade for the other side. Anything you like for the main dish, but how about sweet chili chicken? Plain rice here and mushroom miso soup or any soup you like here. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!